Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's September 5th, and welcome back to you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Were able to spend time with your families and have some barbecues, maybe get out of town, relaxation. Whatever you did, I hope you guys had a wonderful time. This week is kind of a light week in terms of economic news. So a lot of our cues will be taken on the excuse me on that. Taken on geopolitical as well as technical analysis this week. So, but today we happen to have factors. It's not a big market move or anything, but for the month of July. So June we had a 3.2%. Forecast was supposed to show factors dropping in July to 3.4%, and it dropped to 3.3%, pretty much in line for factory orders. Stock market gets down today. A lot of it is due to North Korea. Over the weekend, if you haven't seen the news, North Korea claimed to have a successful hydrogen bomb detonation. They're on their testing, and of course, everybody else understands that there was a seismic encounter on the scale over there, a little over 6, I believe. So they do believe that this could be true. And there's also concern later this week that North Korea has their founding day on the 9th, which is Saturday, and they think that they might do some more testing of their ICBMs, which are intercontinental missiles. So, of course, that's kind of creating a little bit of a stir on the markets globally here. Also on the agenda this month, this probably won't be right immediately, but later in the month you might want to prepare for the spending bill. Congress has to get their spending bill in, and Trump has already dug in and basically said that they need to somehow put in the cost of the wall, the border wall, to be put into that spending bill. Otherwise, he will make sure that government will be shut down. So chances of a government shutdown are pretty slim. But again, he's digging his heels already, and we'll have to see what Congress does or how they respond to it. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the bond market here. And bond market is doing very well. As you can see, we've been kind of going through these ranges here, and we're actually just right at pushing against resistance here, and we're up about 28 base points, which, yeah, it is giving us better pricing for the day today. So as you can see on Friday, we didn't even touch that. We pulled back quite a bit and basically settled on the floor. But with the whole scare about North Korea, it's giving enough push against the resistance, which is helping us out and potentially could help bring us even further. Now, also remember, I did talk about we're going to start include this week the 10-year Treasury, so you can kind of see, since they both kind of compete with dollars there, you kind of got the big three there. You got the 10-year Treasuries, you get the bond, and you get the stock markets. So sometimes money, if it's not in the stock market, goes into yield, so it's conservative, which is a more conservative investment than bonds. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 10-year Treasury. Now, the 10-year Treasury has dropped quite a bit here. It's down quite a bit, as you can see. And we're down below the 210 level. We're down to about 208. The 210 is about the lowest we've seen, actually. The levels of the 210 level is about the lowest we've seen basically this year. So we're approaching maybe potentially busting below that floor of support. So if we could bust below that floor of support, these are levels we haven't really been to since just after the election. Now, before the election, we were in the 170 to 180 range. The next floor of support for this level would be the 1.98. Now, again, kind of puts us probably about mid to late November time frame, but obviously that means better rates for interest rates. So potentially, we could get a little run on this again, and if money gets going into the mortgage-backed securities. So that pretty much concludes it. Rates are better today, which is obviously a good sign. And if you guys want to get more updates, just come on over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork on Twitter here. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day here. We'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.